Okay. I'm Paresh Salgaonkar, President of Goa IT Business Association. Our association is almost more than 25 years old, which was formed in the year 1996. This is our event, which is called Tech Day, where we call four of our vendors, main vendors, to present their products, to showcase their product and to show their new technology, as well as make the dealers aware about the new technology. Today the presentation is done. Today the presentation is done by Sonic Wall. It's a firewall software. Numeric, which is a power solution software equipment. Third is our box push. They are in basically in POS solution. They are in POS solutions. And fourth one is the Acer, which is there in the computers and laptops. Basically, we do this event every quarter. Okay, the purpose of this event to doing this is to all the IT fraternity of Goa, to make them aware about the new technologies which are coming and which is changing in the day-to-day basis. This is the main purpose. Apart from this, Jiva is also conducting other events such as blood donation camps, sports activities like cricket events. Then we also conduct tree plantations. Apart from that, we for our members, we have once in a year we have a family get-together where we make the bonding not only with the dealers or our members, also with their families.